Do makeup stores intimidate you, especially as you've gotten a little bit older? Me too. It's super frustrating to walk into a makeup store and everybody that's helping you is in their 20s and they think that they know what is going to work for your wrinkly eyes. And you and I both know that is not usually the case. So instead of walking down aisles and aisles of makeup products that you have no idea how to use, or that if you need that many products, maybe let me help you. There is nothing better than cream products for mature skin, and I help you step by step through how to apply it. Always here for your questions and to help you make sure that you have the right color for each season. So you just go to the link in my bio, or you can send me a message and say, I'm ready for this makeup. I'm tired of going to these places where the young girls have no idea what I'm dealing with. So don't worry, I've got you. Lots of different colors, lots of different shades going on. We've had skin cancer, melasma, acne, and that's what I'm here to help you with. And one thing I know is that you will be one of those customers that comes back to me and says, you changed my mind about makeup and now I'm in love with it. And I can't believe I waited so long to try cream products because